Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another video using the Vettsy Polygel kit. Today I will be doing an Apres method nail set. So I'm just going to be using the glitters and the nail tips and the butterfly stickers. So right now I'm just adding base coat to these full cover nail tips that comes in the kit. And also that kit will be linked down below, and also I also have a discount code. So yeah, this is a very short video. I have not been that consistent this month, but I will be coming back full strength. Tomorrow also I will be posting a video, so keep an eye out. So this video is just super quick, just something to put out there, because I haven't been consistent. So after adding the base coat, sorry, I can't talk today. So I press it in and then I cure it. I feel like the Apres method is exponentially harder than the Femi Beauty method. I just feel like it's easier to stick and cure it when you're using polygel instead of the base coat. Yeah, it's just super hard. And plus this is my first time doing the Apres method. And I probably did it wrong too. I don't think you're supposed to do the glitter like this. I think you're supposed to, if you're going to use glitter, you have to do the Femi Beauty method, but I'm not sure. So I'm just adding it in, and I'm just doing it on the thumb, index, and middle finger, and then the ring finger and pinky I will keep clear. So I'm making sure to leave no air bubbles when I press it down. As you can see on the pinky, I'm just pressing it down like that, starting from the free edge to the cuticle area. And barely any products seeps out through the edges, and if they do at the end, I just file that off. So right now I'm just opening the sticker packet, and these are like really cute reflective butterflies, and I'm going to be using the blue ones. I kind of wish that the glitters were a little bit darker, a little bit more opaque, because right now they don't really look as blue. They kind of just look like regular mylar flakes, which are still pretty, but I just thought it would be like blue glitter. So I'm just adding some reflective butterflies to the ring and pinky finger, and then I will just top it all off with some top coat and cure it, and then add some cuticle oil, and that will be the finished product. So this is the finished product, and please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Check the description box for the link to this polygel kit and also my discount codes, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.